Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishita with 2 E's, and this is a fashion haul from Flipkart. Now that was a line I never expected I would say on this channel, but trust me guys, Flipkart is actually pretty good when it comes to fashion. Like, I was pleasantly surprised and I ended up shopping a little bit. And if you are coming from Instagram, then you would know कि मैंने actually काफी अच्छी shopping करी है, including this top. I know ये top की link के लिए मुझे इतने DMs आए. Now let's start with the haul. So I think पहले दो items ही सबसे ज़्यादा popular हो गए थे on my Instagram at least, and both of these items are from the same brand called INSUA, Insua. I don't know how to pronounce it again. So the first one is this beautiful black lace tiered dress. It looks gorgeous. It has this lace detailing all over. इसके अंदर बहुत ही beautiful सी black lining भी है. It's a very beautiful lace dress which cinches you at the waist, and उसके बाद इसमें बहुत सारे layers है. That gives you a very beautiful flare. It also has some off shoulder thing going on over the dress. It looks beautiful. It's a perfect date outfit. Now ये dress बहुत stretchy है. It doesn't have any sizes. It stretches very easily and it's very comfortable to wear. It's a perfect date outfit as well as अगर आप कोई family dinner के लिए जा रहे हो and you don't really like wearing short dresses, this is a very good modest option. I really liked it, and this one I got for 1159. Trust me, ऐसी dresses इतने कम price में मैंने कहीं भी नहीं देखी है, and this sort of gives that Forever 21 वाली vibe. I really liked it. If you buy it from Forever 21, I think this would cost you somewhere around 2000 rupees. So abhi you can really get this dress for a really good price. Next dress is again black. I don't know why I always like black dresses. So this one is this off-shoulder bold printed dress. I really like it. I really like the material. It's actually a cotton blend wala material, so it looks nice. I like how it looks. I like the print of it. I like the design of it. The only thing that I don't like is, okay, so this is like a free size dress, but trust me, ये मुझे बहुत tight होती है, like especially around the chest area. I mean, I tried it at least 10 days ago for the campaign, and तब भी मुझे बहुत मुश्किल से fit हुई थी. Up to I don't think so this would fit me, like, because I have gained weight. So yeah, I just wanted to mention this because if you are somebody who's heavier than me, this will not fit you at all. ये बिल्कुल भी stretchy नहीं है unfortunately. इसमें side में zip है, पीछे there is that ruched thing which stretches, but somehow इसका material is sort of cotton, तो वो उतना stretch नहीं होता है. But the black dress that I showed you before, it is perfect. It's very stretchable and it looks very flattering, and it's much more comfortable as well. But this is also a very good option if you are somebody who's comfortable with short dresses, off-shoulder dresses. And इसका एक और yellow and white color भी था. I like both of them, but somehow मुझे ना black and white बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And this was actually only for 593 rupees, guys. मतलब steal. Now the next item is something मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैंने क्यों लिया. It's this rust-colored cardigan from Only. It doesn't even get close. It's a non-closure cardigan, by the way. It's basically just for looks, but I really like it. I like the paneled, you know, striped sleeves of it. It's a short cardigan. It looks really cute. तो मेरी मम्मी ने बहुत मजाक उड़ाया कि ये किस काम का कार्डिगन है, बंद भी नहीं होता है, क्या करोगी इसका, बट ठीक है. I think जब तक दिवाली आती है तब तक, you know, थोड़ा चिली होने लगता है लखनऊ में, तो for that weather it's perfect. It looks really nice. I think I have a soft spot for such autumn appropriate colors, तो मैं हमेशा कुछ ऐसा ऊटपटांग सा उठा लेती हूँ just for the color. That's it. I know I will pair this a lot with my basic crop tops and high-waisted jeans. It's the perfect effortless look for me at least. Alright, so the next top that we have is everyone's favorite, which is this red checkered bishop sleeved cotton blend top. It's a very cute crop top, I have to say it. ऐसे pattern के crop tops मैंने बिल्कुल expect नहीं किया था कि मुझे Flipkart में मिलेगा. And this is from a brand called Sanadi. It sounds really Gujarati, I'm sorry, but Sanadi, पता नहीं क्यों. I got it just for 649 rupees. It's actually a very beautiful crop top. You can wear it in a zillion ways. You must have seen me wearing this a lot. I'm obsessed with this top currently. I love the sleeves of it. इसमें actually नीचे 2 buttons आते हैं, and I have to say ऊपर वाला बंद नहीं होता है मुझसे. I have to get somebody to close the नीचे वाला button ताकि videos में ये cool लगे. I feel इसकी sleeves are a little too tight. I mean, I don't have that much flab on my arms, and still it's kind of tight on me. So yeah, just have this in your mind while you're ordering this. I got S. I clearly should have opted for M, but then it fits me really nicely here. So बस स्लीव्स का पंगा है, बट उसके अलावा इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टॉप. सो या बेसिकली दिस वुड बी वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट रिकमेंडेड टॉप्स फ्रॉम फ्लिपकार्ट, हैंड्स डाउन. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, इट लुक्स सो क्यूट. इसकी लेंथ भी काफ़ी अप्रोप्रिएट है, तो इफ यू आर वेयरिंग हाई वेस्टेड डेनिम्स उसके बाद यू वोंट रियली शो योर टमी. इट्स अ डिसेंट लेंथ. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट अनदर फेवरेट आइटम दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम दिस हॉल. दिस इज द पेपर बैग जीन्स दैट आई हैव बीन वेयरिंग अ लॉट. ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस, मैं इसे हर दिन पहनती हूँ, लाइक लिटरली एवरी सिंगल डे this month, and which reminds me I should probably wash them. Now these are from this brand called Saas Surfaas. It's their regular black jeans, but it's sort of shaded. मेरी मम्मी कहती है ऐसा लगता है कहीं धूल से उठ के आ रही है, but it's kind of cool. I like it. And this one I got for like full price. I would recommend you buy it right now because I saw it. It's available for just 1500 rupees. मुझे 2000 में मिली. But I didn't mind spending 2000 as well because the material is really nice. It's very breathable, it's very comfy. इसका paper bag thing भी is so stretchy ना, तो ऐसा लगता नहीं कि कुछ tight सा पहना है. So yeah, I really like these denims. By the way, this top was S size and the denims as well are S size. Now the last item from this haul is probably the cutest thing as well. मैंने इसको कहीं भी नहीं दिखाया because I was saving this for this haul. Now this one is from Dorothy Perkins. It's the yellow camisole top with no sleeves. Actually you'll have to tie up the tie-ups. It's a very cute top. It's a very comfortable material as well. I remember मैंने Shein से जो last order किया था उसमें कुछ ऐसे ही similar था. So it's sort of like a dupe for that. मुझे काफ़ी costly मिला था. I got it for 805 rupees, but I checked now it's available for 500 rupees. So definitely go for it. मैंने S लिया था, but I would suggest कि आप M जाओ. S थोड़ा सा टाइट था, like slightly टाइट था मुझे. And the last item from this haul is this beautiful pleated skirt. I really like the quality of this skirt given the fact it's from Flipkart and I have no clue about the brand. I have to say मुझे इस item से ज़्यादा expectations थी नहीं because I got it for 720 rupees and 720 rupees में इतनी अच्छी pleated skirt was a good surprise. I'm pretty sure ये भी अभी काफ़ी अच्छे डिस्काउंट पे अवेलेबल होगी. Plus इसका brand is sort of new, तो I really didn't expect such great material. इसका print is pretty trendy as well. The only complaint that I have from this item is ये थोड़ी लंबी है, like कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबी घाघरा लगती है. But I can easily get them chopped and wear it. Now this is something which is perfect for fall season and winters. Like you can layer it over your leggings, stockings, and wear a turtleneck and an oversized jacket or even a leather jacket over it. And I'm pretty sure it will look really cool. So yeah, with this we've come to the end of this haul, this very trendy Flipkart haul. I feel this has to be my favorite haul this year. मुझे काफ़ी पसंद आए अपने कपड़े. So let me know आपका favorite item कौन सा था. For me, I really can't pick one. I mean, everything was my favorite. So yeah, that is all for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you.